Now, if we are only wanted to verify finishing and chamfering kind of operations, a lot of time we just end up verifying everything together, all the roughing and finishing. So wanted to show you guys while we are getting into a little bit advanced, so how we can basically rough out, verify it, and save it as a STL file and use that as a stock. So if I select both of these operations and verify, let me run it. So there's our cutter, toolpath, roughing it around, leaving the part alone, and that's the step. It's roughed out, and there was one finish pass added, as we saw in our toolpath. Now here, what we do is on the top, we will go to verify, and then save this as a STL stock. Okay, so you just go to save as STL, and then just save it with the file name wherever you would like to save. Once it's saved, we can close this and go back to our toolpath. I will explore my stock setup, and we will actually add the stock from the file. So I'll go to the folder here and find the file which I saved as a STL. So that's 305. We would open that, and now you can see around the part there's a STL file. So it will be our stock basically for the next operation. Now the only thing is there's in the list now we have two stocks, the rectangular one which we created earlier. I cannot delete that because that is associated with our roughing. Now we have two stocks, the other one is STL. So if you click on STL, right click and set it as active, right? Set it as active, so that green check mark. And now if I say OK, now you can see the stock is set with that STL file. So we can use this for our next operations. To keep the screen a little bit clear and not cluttered with that STL file, we can go to toolpath screen here, and I will just uncheck the stock display so that the screen looks cleaner. Remember, the stock is still there, it's just not showing on the screen.